we've got this literally jacked up old trailer jack here on my North River trailer that is probably, I don't know, I'm guessing 10, 12 years old. It spent much of its life outside, so it's pretty well abused. It barely even works. One of the U-bolts is actually broken off right down here. So our friends at Sierra, they sent this replacement jack along. This thing is powder coated, got Zerk fittings here, keep it greased up. So we're gonna go ahead and put that on there. And then they said this would sustain a pretty serious impact. So we're gonna go ahead and drop this on this trailer. We're gonna lift this trailer up on the tailgate of my truck here and drop it. This is about 3 feet or so. And we're gonna see what this thing can sustain. I don't know if this is gonna break or the trailer itself is gonna break, but hopefully nothing gives it all. Here we go. You can see this broken right off on that bottom leg there. That one's going bye-bye. We're gonna put this new Sierra on there. We'll get the brackets and get this thing on there. That right there, there we go. Okay, all right, she's on there. We can get it off the blocks here. Oh, that feels good. Okay. Oh, here we go. I think we're gonna put it up on that tailgate, drive the truck out from underneath it, and see what happens here. I'm a little nervous about this one. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna lower this down onto the tailgate. So, this is a dual axle, easy loader trailer. This is a 2007 trailer. I mean, look at that thing. We're worried about the trailer coming apart here, but we'll see. We're gonna go ahead and drop it and, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and inch forward and here we go. Oh, I think we could have gone higher. We're just gonna leave this new jack on there. I would say that was a successful little test there. We didn't drop it from 42 inches, but this trailer's pretty heavy. So yeah, dual axle, easy loader. This is a 1,500 pound rated jack. And you can order these, go to marine.com online. It's been Live the Boat. Thanks for stopping by. Comments and questions are always welcome. We'll catch you next time.